Right, this is a simple auto-generated project generated using MX and simple LED blinking 500 millisecond delay. My objective is to be able to quickly experiment with this value. So let's say I set it to 50 milliseconds, right? And so I want to build F7, compile the thing. Looks good. Okay. And then load. It's loaded and it's not running, obviously. Now if I manually reset it, we get our blinky. Right, let's see if this thing can focus again. One of these days. There you go. Okay. Alright, so now I want to go back to, let me say that, see if I can, but I want to avoid having to click reset. I want this to happen all in one step. So in looking around, I found this, debug, so options for target, debug, settings for the debugger, for the downloader, and then download, reset, and run. That looks like this should do it. So click on that, click OK, and OK. All right. So let's just change this to 200. Okay. Compile. No errors. Load. And in theory, this should just load it, reset, and run. And it's stuck. Right? Now let's verify that it actually loaded the code that I wanted to load. Reset. Yes. All right. Let's just do it again. Let's go to 50. Compile. No problems. Load. It's stuck. Reset. So when I click load, I'll click it again. It doesn't really run. It says application running. I don't know what it's doing. But check this out. If I go here, options for target, debug. Now look at what happens when I click the settings button. So I'm clicking on settings in 3, 2, 1. Right? That is really weird. So I haven't changed anything. Okay. Now let's verify that this is actually doing what we think is doing. Let me go up to 500 milliseconds now. So compile. No errors. Load. It says application running, obviously not running. Okay, options for target, debug, and clicking settings in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Didn't change anything. So I think that's a bug.